Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by nailing format and intent. Choose vertical 9, 16 and decide 15 to 60 seconds. Once chosen, open an AI script generator and prompt for a short hook, 3 scene ideas, and a call to action. Be specific about tone, pace, and keywords. While that runs, collect 1 to 3 visuals or short clips and a voice option, synthetic or recorded. Make sure to keep assets under 30 MB each, so processing stays fast and export is smooth. Now assemble the short. Import your visuals and paste the AI-generated script into a storyboard, splitting it into 3 tight scenes. Once done, generate an AI voice or record your own. Match line length to scene timing and tweak speed between 0, 75 and 1, 25 times for natural flow. Then add captions using auto-transcribe, apply quick cuts, simple transitions, and a consistent color grade. These polish elements increase retention. Finish by exporting as MP4, H264, vertical 9, 16 under 60 seconds. Confirm resolution and file size. Next, upload and craft a punchy title, 1 2-line description, and 3 targeted tags. Include a single, obvious CTA in the first line. If something goes wrong, try this key fix. When audio is off, nudge the voice track by 50 to 200 milliseconds and re-export. If captions mismatch, regenerate from the final audio. Finally, preview on a phone before posting to ensure flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.